Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little vanity tour for you guys. So if you guys want to see my vanity setup and kind of see my makeup collection, then keep watching. Alright, so this is my vanity. I got the actual vanity on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I don't really recommend it, but I'll link it anyways. And then this right here is all my makeup. In my garbage can. The two drawer things are from Walmart, and then that top thing is from Amazon. So at the tippy top here we have brushes, and then this is for lipstick obviously, but this part comes off, so I think I'm going to take it off and just put the brushes on top. I also have, this is my biggest palette, my Wet n Wild 40. So in the first drawer we have swatches. Second drawer is lipstick, chapstick. Then before I get into the next drawers, I have Bloom, Liquid IV, and Makeup Brush Cleaner. This is not sponsored. And then I have all my lashes, sample size things. These are both sample size things. And then sheet masks and eye masks. So in the first drawer we have all my foundations, primers, eyebrow stuff, and I have my setting powders and concealers. I can't remember if I said that already. This second drawer, which is kind of jammed right now, I have to reorganize it later. But this is actually, it's jammed because of this. But this is all like my single eyeshadows. So this drawer is all my bronzers, highlighters, and blushes. And these little containers, the white ones, are from Walmart as well. If I can find them online, I'll link them, but I cannot remember the name. This is all my lip glosses. And then this is all my lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. And then the bottom three are all my palettes. I don't really have a rhyme or reason to all of them, but those are all of my palettes, all like 90. And up top over here I have what I use every day. So the foundation, primer, blush, bronzers, all the stuff I use every single day. And then these are my everyday brushes. And these are my ColourPop eyeliners. I love them. I bought like the whole rainbow pack a couple years ago. The holders, I think this was in a BoxyCharm, and this I got in a FabFitFun. Then over here is just a mask I use like every night when I do a face mask, my setting spray and a fixing spray, and then this pimple stuff, shadow switch, and my one lip gloss I have out because it's actually almost done and I wanted it to like settle at the bottom. Then this is the palette I'm using for the week. And then these are just other products I use every single day that just don't fit in there. In this drawer, I have lip liners and just like random glitters. In this one, I have all my mascaras. And because everything needs a junk drawer, this is the junk drawer. I also have two drawers up top here, but nothing's inside of them, so I'm not going to open them. And then this mirror and this mirror are both from Amazon. I will link them down below. And hi! And that is it for my vanity tour. Let me know how you guys liked it in the comments down below. Let me know if you want like a more itemized collection video, like my eyeshadow palette collection, highlighter collection, anything like that in the comments as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!